everyone, my name is Eli, and today we are going to be working on my Cadillac SRX. We're going to be working on these, replacing these rear reflectors. You can see this one here already fell off, so I'm going to be replacing both of them. So super easy to do. Let's jump right into it. So let me show you real quick. This is what the one that fell off. You can see there's two holes right here and then another little tab right there. This is the new one coming in. See, it has the L for the left-hand side of the vehicle. That tab will just slide in there first. And then these push in to those two holes, line it up. So to put this one in, just pull it back a little bit. Put that tab in there, and then these two holes will line up and just give it a push. There we go. Ooh, that looks nice. So here's the truth of the matter. This one here, that's the new one. That one there is the old one. I don't think it's worth changing anymore, because if I'm gonna pull this out, I think I am gonna have to just end up breaking it. I think if you're gonna do it absolutely correct, you would just take all this plastic off so that you could actually get in there. It's just, this is so close to the bumper underneath. Yeah, there's just no way to get in there. So I don't think, I'm just gonna hold on to this one for now. And if this ever does fall, then I'll have an extra. But even with this, I tried opening this and but it's blocked. There's a piece of plastic right there to not accidentally knock this one out. So the one that did fall, this plastic piece actually originally was still on there. So just the reflector red piece fell off, and this was still on there. And you can see when I was trying to pull it out. So here's what that piece of plastic looks like before it broke. And this will help give an idea of what you would need to do to get this actually to come out without breaking it. So like I said, this has two sides. So if you just push on one side, it really doesn't help. You need to have both sides pressed down for that to be skinny enough to come out. So like I said, I think if you're gonna replace these or have like what happened to me where this actual reflector piece came off, just break it, pull it off, and swap it out. So this one over here, I could actually reach my hand underneath the muffler and push on just one side of that pin, but just pushing on one side doesn't really help in this situation. So if I was gonna pull this out, or if I had any real reason that I was gonna swap these out, I would probably just break that. You know, to break it and pull it out takes 15 seconds. Break that piece of plastic and swap it out takes 15 seconds. Try and reach in there, or to try and disassemble the car anymore for something like that, I don't think it's worth it. Especially this piece of plastic. This is what, 13, 14 years old. So yeah. But so I guess I'll just hold on to this, and if I ever sell the car, then I'll get an extra rear reflector. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Like I said, hopefully that was helpful. If you do need to pull these off or have an issue with it, I'll put a link to these ones that I got in the description below. But yeah, it does match really well. So I'm happy with that, and I'm just gonna change the one. So thanks so much for watching. And ooh, quick sneak peek into some of my other videos coming out hopefully soon. See, I got some brand new carpets for the inside, and then here are those chrome pieces that go up front. New grill, and this, wonder what could be behind this plastic cover right there. All and more coming soon. Thanks for watching.